Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable security biometrics on Costco account. So first we're going to go to the Costco app. Then once you guys are here, we're going to click on the account section. Then next we're going to scroll downwards. Then we're going to click on app settings under settings. Then as you can see, there is the sign in with Touch ID option. It's turned off, so we're going to turn it on. So from now on, when you guys log into your account, it's going to require your biometrics, which is a very important layer of security. So make sure you turn it on so no one would access your account. So that's how you do it. It's a very simple step. As I told you, guys can find this app in the App Store, Play Store, such as full shopping app. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.